Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu. Today, on the 9th of February 2025, I want to address those people who are calling for Dr. Groenewald for president, and those who are calling for that fanatic Mogoeng for president. That this is not the time to look backward. This is not the time to hang your mental slavery chains on us. Here, right now, what we are looking for in South Africa, we are looking for a president, a leader, a selfless leader who will put the people of South Africans first, irregardless of who they are, their social economic status, or their race. Now, apartheid has ended, and it will never come back. And we don't want to be ruled by white supremacists. We don't want to be ruled by a fanatical former chief justice who was compromised in 2019. He was given a 600 million. Mogoeng was given a 600 million rand by an unknown source, a capitalist movement from the USA. So do not be fooled by these leaders. Do not be fooled by politicians. You need to elevate your consciousness. You need to elevate your thinking ways. The world is changing. Capitalism has failed. Socialism has failed. Communism has failed. Politics cannot govern a country. Politics cannot create an economy. We need people. We need to unite and stand. Our power is in unity. Remember when ANC started to fail, the people were calling for DA. Let us vote for DA. DA it's a white people political party, and it will bring service delivery to us, and it will restore law and order. Look what DA has done. You gave that DA power, and it has given power back to ANC. So you need to be stopped. You need to be stopped being used by political parties and political leaders. Their aim is to divide us. That's their aim. They can rule when we are divided. They can have dominion when we are divided. I cannot say just because he's a white person, Dr. Groenewald, he will do the right thing. There are excellent black people. There are excellent colored people. There are excellent white people, Afrikaner people, who can do a better job than he is doing. There are a lot of excellent people who are outside politics who can do a better job than what politicians are doing. We need to stand up for ourselves. You cannot rise to power by stepping on others' head. You cannot rise to power by asking me to lower myself. A true leader is the one that accepts everyone, every race, for who they are. It doesn't need to step onto their heads to be above everyone. You can lead and be like the people. So let's stop this thing, Yaga Groenewald. It's not going to take us anywhere. Let's stop this thing of Mogoeng. He's just a fanatic owned by a Nigerian prophet. He's a fanatic, that one. He's compromised. We need to stand up for ourselves and rule ourselves, because there is no political party or leader or anyone who's popular who's going to save you, South Africa. We need to change this mentality. We need to face ourselves and start standing up for ourselves and our right. The word constitution, it means laws, policies by the body of government. By the body of government. That means that constitution, it does not represent us. We need a constitution that is ours, that put the South African first, that prioritize us, that the policies that are made by us, the people, not politicians and their agendas. So let's get this right. We need to stand up and unite. Let's unite. Black, white, yellow, colored, Indian. We need to unite and stop fighting amongst us and stop faking fake peace. Let's face ourselves and face the challenges that we are facing right now. I thank you.